Good morning, my lovely kids. How are you? I hope all of you are good at home. Today, we are complete our exercise 3. I hope you almost have completed question number first, question number second, question number third in your notebook because we were completed question number first, question number second and question number third in before classes. So today we are complete our rest of exercise. Left of exercise question number 4, write the missing numbers from 101 to 200. So how we start counting after 100? 100, you increase by 1, you add 1 with the given number and then you have get another number like this. This is 100 and you increase by 1, add 1 with 100. 0 plus 1 is 1, 0 and 1 is added as it is. So what you have get 101. This is here and 102. So you increase by 1, you add 1, 1 plus 1 2 and you have get 102. So this process is repeated again and again and you have fill the missing numbers 100, 101, 102 and after 102 you have get 103 and after 103 you have get 104 and after 104 you have get 105. 105 is given here. So what we have you get after 105, you have get 106 and what you have after 106, 107 and what you have get after 107, 108 and after 108, 109 and you can see here after 109 you increase by 1. What you have get 9 plus 1 is equal to 0, so you write here 0 and 1 is here and 0 plus 1 is 1 and this one. So what we have get 110, so you write here 110. It's clear to all of you? Yes. And after 110 you increase by 1, this one and this one is as it is, so you have get 111, so you write here 111 and what we have get after 111, 112, 113, 114, 115, 116 is given here, 117, 118, 119 and after 119, 120. It's clear to all of you? And this process is processing like this, increase by 1 and writing this is the counting and with the help of counting you will fill all these missing blank boxes. After 102, 123, after 123, 124, 125, 126, 127 is given here, 128, 129 and after 129, 30. So this is processing like this. You have completed and if you have any problem you can ask me. It's clear to all of you? This is for you complete it in your book. You don't have to do question number 4 in a copy. It's clear to all of you? So question number 4 is in your book. It's clear to all of you? You don't have to do question number 4 in copy. Okay, so cross it. This is for only on book. Next question number 5. Circle the smallest number. Circle the smallest number. You first of all you observe the given number, which is the smallest, which is greatest, like this 104, 130 and 103. So which number is the smallest number? Firstly, you observe that. Which 104, 130 or 103? 103. Good. So you circle it. It's clear to all of you. First of all, you observe that which number is the smallest number. Next is 112, 200 and 111. So which is the smallest number? 111. Very good. So circle it. Next question, 146, 126 and 112. You can see here 146, 126, 112. So which is the smallest? 112. So circle it. Next, 112, 118 and 182. This is 112, this is 118, this is 182. So which is the smallest? 112. So circle it. It's clear to all of you. A, B, C, D is done for you, and E, F, G, H for you. Complete it and practice with E, F, G, H. Fill in the boxes before, after and between. Before, which number comes before 105? 104. When you have find before number, you decrease by 1. Decrease by 1 means subtract 1. And when you want to find the after number, you increase by 1, plus 1. It's clear to all of you? Now let us start. 105. So which number, what comes before 105? 104. And what comes before 172? 171. So how you can find it? By subtracting like this. 172. You decrease by 1, minus 1. 2 minus 1 is equal to 1, and this 7 is as it is and this 1 is as it is. So what we have get? We have get 171. So what comes before 172? 171. It's clear to all of you? 112. So what comes before 112? Let's see. Subtract 1, decrease by 1. 2 minus 1, 1. This one is as it is, this one is also as it is. So what we have get? We have get 111. So 111 comes before 112. Okay. So 3 questions, A, B, C done for you. D, E, F, G, H, complete it. Okay. After, when you want to find after number, you increase by 1, you add 1, like this 141. So what comes after 141? You add plus 1, 1 plus 1, 2. So what we have get? We have get 42, 142. B, 116. So what comes after 116? Add 1, 6 plus 1, 7. So 117. You can see here also 116. So you add plus 1, increase by 1. So what we have get? 6 plus 1, 7. And this one is as it is and this one is also as it is. So what we have get? We have get 117. So you write here 117. It's clear to all of you? 101. Increase by 1, add 1, 101. Plus 1, 102. It's clear to all of you? So A, B, C done for you, and D, E, F, G, H practice with D, E, F, G, H. Okay. Next is between 142, 143 and 144. You can remember the counting. 112, after 112, 113, 116, 117 and 118. It's clear to all of you? So 116, 117 and 118. It's clear to all of you? A, B, C, D, A, B, C done for you, and D, E, F, G, H Do practice with them and complete it. Question number 7. Write the number names. Now, I hope you all write the number names very easily. This is which place? Ones place. This is 110s place, and this is 100 place. Ones, tens, and hundreds. So 155. Right here. 155. FIFTY 55. FIVE 5. 155. What is this? This is ones, tens, and hundred. 142. So you write here 142. It's clear to all of you? So A and B done for you. You take help from A and B, and C, D and E, F. This is for you. Complete it. Okay, and practice. So next topic is place value. Place value. Let us start reading. We use the digits 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9 to make numbers. So you can observe this. Any number you can find these 9 digits 0, 1, 2, 3, these 10 digits 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8 and 9. So all numbers are making with the help of these 10 digits. Okay, you can see here 4. How many digits in 4? Only 1. So 4 is 1 digit number. This is a 1 digit number. 42. How many digits in 42? 2 ones and tens. How many digits? 2 digit ones and tens. This is the 2 digit number. 121. So how many digits are here? This is a 3 digit number because ones, tens and 100. It's clear to all of you? In the number 121, there are 3 digits 1, 2 and 1. 1 is in the ones place. You can see 1 is in the ones place. 2 is in the tens place, and this one is in the 100 place. The position or place of a digit in a number tell us about the place value of the digit in the given number. So what is the place value? Place value tells about the place of a digit in a number, like this. 1, where is 1? 1 is ones place, 2 tens place, and this one is 100 place. So this is the place value of given number, given digit. You can see here, what is this? This is 121. We divided in the place 1. Where is 1? 1 is ones place. 2 is in the tens place. Where is this one? This is 1. This one is in the 100 place. So how we divide? One thing is most important thing. The place value of 0 is always 0. You remember it? The place value of 0 is always 0. 0 have not ones place, tens place and 100 place. 0 is always 0. So where is 1? 1 is in the ones place. Its place value is 1. Where is 2? 2 is in the tens place. Its place value is 20 because 2 tens means 20. Yeah? Yes. And where is 1? 1 is in the hundreds place. Its place value is 100. 100. It's clear to all of you? Let's do something. Spot check. Write the place value of each digit in these numbers. So this is the time of practice. So 0. Where is 0? In which place the 0? Ones place. But you know that 0 is always 0. The place value of 0 is always 0. So you write here 0. And where is 4? 4 is in tens place. Ones, tens and hundred. This is ones place, this is tens place, and this is hundred place. So where is 4? 4 is tens place. Means 4 tens. 4 tens means 40. It's clear to all of you? So the place value of 4 is 40. 1. Where is 1? 1 is in the place of 100. Where? 100. So place value of 1 is 100. It's clear to all of you? Let's see next. Ones, tens and hundred. So where is 2? 2 is in the ones place. So the place value of 2 is 2. And where is 1? 1 is in the tens place. Where? Tens place. So the place value of 1 is 1 means 1 tens means 10. Okay. And where is this one? This one is the 100 place. So the place value of this one is 100. It's clear to all of you? Let's see next 3. Where is 3? Where is 3? 3 is in the place of ones. So you write here 3 ones. And where is 8? 8 is in the place of 10. So you write here 8 tens means 80. 100. Where is in which place the 1? 1 is in the place of 100. So the place value of 1 is 100. It's clear to all of you? I hope you all understood this topic very well. Place value very well. If you have any problem, you ask me and I will tell you. Okay, so take care of your family with you. Thank you.